Welcome to SeaWorld.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited. So gonna get to clapping. Go pop a phone, pop a phone.
That was a beautiful stay in this Airbnb. This property is really beautiful. So, my team, the travel buddies, actually, mine travel buddies I met, my office colleagues. She comes all the way from Singapore to spend time with us. Only because of her, I take extra efforts to come all the way. Otherwise, I think I bunk normally. Thank you. Yeah. And she's my birdie, yeah? You all know, I'm sure. If you see me Instagram, then you know it is she. Because of her, I'm there in the job, by the way. That is bullshit. She's lying, yeah? And this is our biggest culprit here. This one was the one who gave my resume to that company.
Which company?
Silly. So shit, I told my company's name.
You should be happy because you are connected to all of us
Yes,
because of sailing.
yes.
And we are traveling because of sailing.
100. She's the smartest in our group, by the way, huh? FYI. Welcome to SeaWorld in Yas Island. I have been to Disney and Paris and all everything, but I think out of all, I still love this. This is the best. I love this one actually. Yeah. SeaWorld is located on Yas Island in Abu Dhabi and it's completely indoors. So if you're visiting during summer, this is honestly a blessing. No heat, fully air conditioned, very comfortable to explore. It's not just for kids, I feel adults enjoy it equally, especially if you love marine life or just want something different from regular theme parks. There are multiple themed zones inspired by different oceans around the world. The aquarium tunnels are absolutely beautiful. You can literally stand there for 10 to 15 minutes just watching the marine life. The best part which I like about this SeaWorld is you can touch some kind of fishes and those little animals. Like you can feed them as well. I took the opportunity to feed the sea lions this time and I swear it's so much of fun. I just feel like being a kid. Overall, we had so much of fun. They also have some interactive exhibits like presentations and few family-friendly rides. So it's not a heavy thrill park like Ferrari World. It's more about experience, learning and enjoying the vibe. If you're planning your visit, I would suggest you to keep at least 4 to 5 hours to explore properly without rushing. Please make a note, wear comfortable footwear, comfortable clothing. My favorite spot would be the penguins area. I love watching the penguins because they are so cute. It's a beautiful place, just feels like you're in Antarctica. Food options are decent, you'll find quick bites, proper meals and even coffee breaks inside. Now if you're coming from Dubai, it's roughly 1 to 1.5 hours drive depending on traffic. Very easy road trip. Parking is available at Yas Island and it's very organized. If you're not driving, you can take a bus to Abu Dhabi and then a taxi to Yas Island, or you can even book a tour packages that include transport. We actually made it a small getaway and stayed at Airbnb nearby. I'll share the details if anyone is interested. It makes it more relaxed instead of rushing back the same day. The price of the ticket was for a single theme park would be around 250 to 350 dirhams. But since we took two options together, that's Warner Brothers and the SeaWorld, we got it at 450 dirhams. Overall, if you ask me, would I visit SeaWorld again? 100% yes. Especially with family and friends. The best part is you get to see a wide variety of animals which you barely see in any of the normal parks or normal zoos. And also the best thing is there are dolphin shows which are really stunning, but you have time slots for all these things, so you have to follow the maps on the apps or you can check with the representatives there. The representatives are very friendly and they're very informative and they help you at any given point of time. Overall, if I have to suggest something, if you want to gift somebody something special to your special friends, then I think this ticket would really make a difference and it's worth it. So if you have any questions, let me know and I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much.